A very wonderful good morning, students. This day is beautiful, as so are you. So, students, welcome to the math class. In your math class, today we will learn today number 2020. What we will learn? We will learn number 2020. So first of all, we count the pictures and after that we will do an activity related to number 2020. In this activity you draw 2020 objects. Okay, so let's start students today's class. So students, tell me what you see in this picture. You see stars and ice cream. You all love to eat ice cream? Yes, we all love to eat an ice cream. So here you see stars and ice creams. So first of all, count with me how many stars and ice cream you see. Okay, so let's count with me how many stars and ice creams are here. So let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What come after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Now tell me what come after 1, 0, 10? 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19. Now tell me what come after 1, 9, 19? 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. So how many stars you count here? 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. Now see the ice cream. Tasty, delicious ice creams are here. So let's count with me how many ice creams are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What come after 10? 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, and 2, 0, 20. How many ice cream you count here? 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. So today we will learn the number 2, 0, 20. Which number we will learn today? Number 2, 0, 20. So today we will do an activity related to number 2, 0, 20. Okay. So let's see which activity we will do today. Draw 20 toffees and color on them. So first you draw 20 toffees. After that you color on them. So let's start. Draw with me toffees. How many toffees you draw? 20 toffees. So let's see how to draw the toffees. First make like this. So you draw toffee like this. Okay. So how many toffees we draw here? 2, 0, 20. You all love to eat toffees, na? Yes. So you draw toffees like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5. What come after 5? 6. 7. 8. 9. 1, 0. 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. Then 2, 0, 20. So we draw here 2, 0, 20 toffees. Now what you do? You just color 2, 0, 20 toffees here. How many toffees you drawn here? 2, 0, 20. Now what you do? You just color 2, 0, 20 toffees. So you choose different color to color these toffees. So let's start coloring with me. One, two, three, then 4, 5, 5 toffees we color here. What come after 5? 6, then 7, 8. So we choose crayon color to color the candies. 9. So you see we color 9 toffees. What come after 9? 1, 0, 10. Now 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1 5 15 1 6 16 1 7 17 1 8 18 1 9 19 What come after 1 9 19? 2 0 20. So how many toffees we drawn here? 2 0 20. We drawn 2 0 20 toffees and color on them. So students, you draw the toffees 2 0 20 and after that you color on them. So I hope you all are understood how to do this activity. So you do this activity in your math notebook. In your math notebook, first you mention the date and day and after that you draw 2020 toffees and color on them. So I hope you all are understood. So you do this work. So students, I hope you all are understood today's class. So you do this work and after that you send to me. Goodbye, take care and have a nice day students.